Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about ad creative. So what is ad creative? With these two guys you're going to be creating ads for free and advertise your products or services. Yes, so ad creative is the #1 most used AI tool for advertising. This means that you guys are going to build your ads with the artificial intelligence, and you can try this tool 7 days for free. So I'm going to be dropping guys the link down below for you to start for free your 7-day trial. Yes, generate ad creatives that outperform your competitors. Yes, as you can see right here, famous brands are using this. Yes, this AI tool. Yes, LinkedIn and many others, for example. Yes, so you have examples here. For example, Tesla is using, these guys are using also this awesome platform to create ads for free. Yes, millions of ad creatives generated every single day. Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn, TripAdvisor, Walmart, Reddit, Siemens, Renault, Adidas, and many others. Yes, as you can see right here, ad creatives is the third fastest growing product in the world for 2 consecutive years. Oh my god, as you can see, in New York they use this platform to advertise products, not only in New York but around the world. Yes, generate ad creatives that help you sell fast using artificial intelligence, up to 14x higher conversion rates, over 90%, 95% of users improve CTR in the first month using our ad creatives. Yes, all-in-one advertising powerhouse. As you can see, these are the models. Generate creatives, generate texts and headlines. What else can you do with ad creatives? See creative insights, generate social creatives, and also you can generate complete ad package with and also you are going to see competitors ads. Yes, and many other features that the guys from ad creatives are going to do it for you. Get winning ad inspiration, generate video ads as well, not only images, but you're going guys to generate video ads, generate conversion focused videos for ads using our artificial intelligence. This is one and only AI that can generate ready to use videos for high ROI. Yes, generate products photoshops. Yes, photo shoots. Score your ad creatives. Generate ad creatives for free. Why choose adcreative.ai? Let the artificial intelligence generate creatives that convert, so you can save time and money to scale. Check out why and how you should use adcreative.ai. So in order for you to start for free, I'm going to be dropping my link down below guys for you to start your 7-day free trial. Yes, well, I hope this short information has been helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video, and if you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my video. See you in the next video. Have a good time.